baking business, David Farmstead Table. And when I was down at the house down there, it was nice and peaceful and the snow was falling nice and softly. It was beautiful winter wonderland. But once you come up the hill to this, and the wind wasn't this bad a few minutes ago, but it's still different. And now we've got the gusts and the wind is just whipping snow past us. So it's a totally different world up here at the top of the hill with the cows and cow barn. And so we've got heavier snowfall and bigger drifts. It's up over our knees, coming through, and we can't get very much cleared pathways for trucks and stuff. So the tractor has just cleared a small spot near the road. And we're gonna have to probably get a plow, a heavier plow up here somehow. I don't know if anyone's when the next time someone's gonna be able to do that, because I know all the plows are plowing. But our bales of hay are over there, and we usually use a tractor to get hay from there through the gate that I'm standing on over to the cows in the barnyard. And the cows can get through the snow okay. I mean, they don't prefer it. And they have the shelter that they could go in. It's plenty warm in there. They're sheltered from the wind. But yeah, we're gonna have to shovel out the hay area, and then until we can get a plow up here, we're gonna have to hand carry all those bales of hay over to the cows every day. So it's gonna take a lot more hours of our day to feed the animals in this weather. Mostly the cows is the big project. We're also not quite done with milking today. It's after 10 o'clock, 10:30, getting close to 11. I don't know how long it took me to get up here, but our generator's having a little bit of trouble in this weather, and it stopped working, so we're working on that too. So weather's always a challenge. It takes us more time, but the kids are having fun. They're building snow forts down at the house and things like that. So we're gonna enjoy the parts of the snow that we can. We're gonna stay warm in the house in between chores, and hope that all of you are doing well. Pray for us, and if you know someone in the Nutripoli area who'd be willing to come out and help us plow out our barnyard,